So guys, JZ here. Welcome back to another video. I'm kind of terrified at this point. Okay. Today we are reacting spending the night in UK's most wanted most wanted? What? Most wanted? Most haunted house. I'm pretty sure we would not want a haunted house. Like, what the hell? What am I talking about? What the hell? Bro, imagine if I wanted a haunted house. Why? Why would I want one? What the shit? Anyways, this is by TGF Bros. I have not watched their videos in a long damn time. I haven't did a reaction video. I haven't did a video to their videos before. So I decided, you know what? Let me do that right now because they're one of my most favorite, YouTubers. It was, their content was hilarious. Let me know if you want to see more reactions to this. I'll happily do so. Plus, I know y'all probably like, yo, October's over. Why did you watch some scary shit? I don't know, man. Scary stuff is the good stuff, damn it. It is the good stuff. And, damn. I just knocked that. Yeah, the video link will be down in the description below, of course. You know how I do. And, yeah, let's just jump into it, man. I have another video planned after this. So if I move fast, I hopefully I have enough battery after this. Okay, that scared the mess out of me. I wasn't ready for that. My headphones is way too high. I'm gonna leave it at that. Fuck it. That actually scared the mess out of me.
I ain't gonna outside of what is apparently the most haunted.
I moved my camera just so it's just gets out of people's faces. Oh, can I put it at the highest, bro? Put it at the peak?
Of ghosts
can my computer handle that?
For the next 24 hours. Luke still doesn't believe in ghosts, so it's our job to basically prove that they are
fake.
I haven't had enough evidence. Tell the people, yes or no, do you believe in ghosts?
I do not believe in ghosts or entities or anything like that.
Yo! Oh, jeez. Oh, this is gonna be a good one, I bet. It's 41 minutes long, so strap in. Hopefully y'all got your snacks. Maybe longer because of how I do. You know how I am.
Constructed in
because it's stuck down there. My bad. Okay. You know how I am. When it comes to pausing videos, this could go up to over an hour. So sit back, chillax, grab some snacks. I'm not Corey Kenshin, Where is Corey Kenshin right now? I kind of miss our boy,
45 AD, this building is one of the oldest in the world that still exists, and buried underneath it are the bodies of hundreds of children.
There's newspaper articles.
Children? Specifically? Jesus.
And bringing the horse and cart down with the barrels full of ale. He fell off.
Ooh. Let's see. Yeah.
Front and broke his pelvis.
If my camera's not blocking it, I apologize if it is. I don't. Shut up, fuck. Everything's happening.
In 1593, the innkeeper's daughter was hung and murdered for being accused of witchcraft, and is now reported to be one of the most haunted rooms in the house. Look.
Let me disable my mouse so it can stop popping the screen up. My bad.
Look at the screen. Look. However, the attic isn't the only room in the house which is famous for its unusual sightings and paranormal activity.
The bishop's room is very active. I don't go in there very often because I've heard that they've seen cavaliers and monks and Roman soldiers walking through the wall in there. If you start singing nursery rhymes to a small table, it will tip around if you put your hand on it gently and just start singing nursery rhymes. The children will play with the table and you'll have trouble holding on to it. It will fly around the room, and I'm not joking.
The history of this house runs so deep.
I don't know about you, but I would burn it like it's Finance at Freddy's.
The local bishop has once referred to this building as one of the most
set that shit in flames. Unless they're William Afton, they're gonna come back.
Called the police because he thought somebody was breaking in the hayloft. Police rang me because they knew I had CCTV footage, and there's nobody in the building, nobody outside the building. I had 8 cameras here looking after him whilst he had dementia.
Oh yeah, I've been noticing when I'm reacting with a camera, I'm noticing my head be down. I apologize about that. I don't know why, but I always like sit back and watch shows like this. I don't know why I do that. I just do. I just chill out and watch shows like this. I'm gonna try to keep my head up at least a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm sorry. I'll stop.
Camera. I it
Dude,
sounded just like my
how was that Riz? Gen Z, how was that Riz?
Further ado,
How was that
ladies
Riz,
and
bro?
gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to the ancient Ram Inn.
Bro.
Mel's got the EMF reader that the kind lady left for us. We're in the living area right now. We're about to go briefly explore this inn, and the first room outside of this one is that next room. This is the table, bro. She was talking about singing the nursery rhymes. Wait till you see how dodgy this house is.
My eyebrows, bro.
What is in here?
This is old. Look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling, man. Do you want to try it here?
Try what?
The nursery rhymes.
What do you mean? No, wait.
That's why it's good to have a black friend. He's like, yo, what the hell are you
I know
talking?
you heard that.
I heard
what
that.
you hear?
I heard
What did you
that.
hear?
The only way I can describe it is if like a piece of rock came loose and kind of like hit these other pieces of rock as it fell down.
It was kind of like squeaky.
No.
I think I heard that then. I actually think the
One sec. I actually do want to check something.
I think I heard that.
Oops.
Yeah, I heard.
I think I fixed it. All right.
Boys, it's doing it again.
Yeah, I heard that.
I heard that as well.
What? Wait, yo,
that-
nah. There's upstairs, you know. There's an attic and everything.
Yeah, that would be good if you went
I
to go
hate
and
attics.
investigate.
Attic.
Yeah, man. I'll do.
Wasn't you born in an attic, bro?
Yo, God said I'm fucking Hagrid. Didn't someone get hung in
Bro.
the attic?
Yeah, it was like a witch or something like that.
But
Why is there a cross on the wall, bro?
Oh,
Baby
man,
Jesus.
God damn
What
it.
the hell was Jesus when he died?
33.
So
At
like
least
in
it's not
70
upside
years,
down.
Like 33, yeah. I might
least-
actually just
yeah, at
like
least
nail
it's not
myself to the
bad.
cross because I'm basically God.
To be fair, you got a mad beard, you know.
Yo.
There's loads of newspaper
What the
articles.
fuck is this, bro? Why is there a cot shaped like a four-poster bed? Who's this youth think it is? Yo, I'm sorry, why is there a headless mannequin baby in the cot, bro? Look at that.
Nah, but okay,
Yeah,
bro,
what?
explain that.
The lines in its head.
Explain that.
Why is it looking at me?
She's got like eyes like the Conjuring, look.
I wouldn't pick that up. Ha! You tried to scare me with that. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of did scare me. I ain't gonna hold you. Fuck me, dude. I hate that shit. That actually kind of scared me. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I hate you for that. I hate you for that.
I've done one before. I'm not doing one ever again. I swear.
Oh, that one.
Did you hear that?
What the
Did you hear
fuck
that?
was that?
Yo. Okay, yo, like, someone do this Ouija board with Jay. I'm not doing it.
I didn't hear
There's a
anything.
bang over there, bro.
Damn.
Wait there. So, okay, we are probably...
Yo, yo.
Did you hear that?
That was this.
You heard that, innit?
Nah,
No, it wasn't, bro.
It was, like
It wasn't.
running,
It was low,
running
really low. Yeah, it was like.
bass.
Do it for a bit, and then if it...
Did you hear that again?
Bro,
That was the car?
No, bro, it wasn't.
It was the
I promise
car.
It was not the car, bro. It wasn't. The car went past. It didn't like
Bro,
vibrate.
it was the car.
Bro.
It was...
Boys, I fucking heard that.
You heard that as well,
Bro, yo.
I would have shut the door.
What,
I don't trust that long hallway, bro.
You're overreacting.
Or something would run at. No, I swear, something run at the camera. I'm done.
I heard
I'm
the car
done.
go past. It wasn't that. Like,
If someone runs at the camera, I'm done, bro.
Something's shaking the floor.
Nah, man, it's the vibrations from the cars, bro.
You heard it, bro. You heard it. I swear,
It's
bro.
not lying. I swear.
What do you mean?
Something's shaking the
Bro,
floor. It's like
it's
something's
mad.
jumping up and down.
Boys. There is the cars.
Nah, there's no.
Bro, it's not a car.
Bro, Ramel, I would be agreeing
okay,
with him
okay,
just so we
okay.
can go home faster. Like, yeah, I heard that too. Let's go home.
What the fuck was that?
If we're planning to sleep here, we all have to sleep together.
Huh?
I'm
All
down.
69, all of
Y'all
you.
better not.
Across the whole gang of it.
Oh my god, bro. Are you talking about sleeping here? What the hell is this? What the hell is this music, bro? Where did you get this music from?
Anybody there?
You don't hear how demented that shit is? Just listen to how demented that fucking music is.
Guys,
Where did you find that?
anybody there?
Ain't no way that's a royalty-free music. But who the fuck made that?
Contact with us.
Man, it's creepy.
Remove the glass.
They're all doing a goddamn Ouija board. A Ouija board. I said Luigi.
Yeah, man.
You know,
I just saw a shadow go past one of them windows. I'm not even fucking about to. Oh, shh.
Fuck was that? No, who's that? Come on, who's that?
Look, I'm letting it leave my finger.
Was that you who made that noise?
No, did you see in there, bro? Yo, Ramel, fuck that. I ain't going in there. Did you see that?
See what?
What's that?
What happened? What? Get the hell out of Dodge, bro. What?
That was one of you.
Yeah, I'm sorry, that was me.
Oh,
Fuck was that?
I knew it.
What was that?
Yeah, I just thought, you know, let's scare action a little bit. I admit it, I faked it. I'm bored, personally.
Someone
The place ain't
just
scaring
faked
me.
that?
It ain't
Oh,
scaring
you asshole.
You look the happiest I've ever seen.
I'm over here like, what was that? Where did that come
We're
from?
gonna put GoPros around the place, and hopefully we can monitor the rooms and catch something.
I've got an idea for what I'm gonna stick this GoPro. Should be good.
I'm taking the plunge, guys.
Man, I miss these guys, them making these videos, but yeah, I think like last year or so, 2 years ago? I don't know how long ago it was, but they got into court because of one of the videos, so
Upstairs.
I guess they are not allowed to make another
right now.
make another TGF Pro video.
I thought I saw something behind me. There we go.
Bro, imagine I would scream
church.
hard out my chest.
It looks like a church. I'm just gonna leave this GoPro right about here.
Damn.
Everyone's planted a GoPro, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't want to go in the attic by myself. I think we should go in there as a group.
Have you seen the attic on TripAdvisor, bro?
No, I actually haven't, no. Oh, is it mad?
Yeah, bookie. And upstairs as well, there was a newspaper article on the wall. It was explaining stories of shit people have seen in the attic and heard in the attic. Whoever can spend 5 minutes in the attic alone later on as well, doesn't have to be now, later on, I'll give you $2,000.
Yeah. Oi!
2 minutes alone in the attic.
I'm on that still.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah, but you're just that type of guy. You'll like slit your own throat so you're unconscious, yeah, and then you're just staying there for like 3 weeks, bro, and I'll owe you like 53 bill, you know what I'm saying? Yo,
I'm over here like,
I keep
what?
seeing weird shit, man.
What you seeing?
In the windows.
$2,000 though, hell, I don't know, I think I may do that too.
Attic, bro?
No!
Oh, hell no, bro.
Bro, the bell downstairs, fam. You did not hear that?
I was gonna mention like $2,000 in 10 minutes. Like, you know, that's way better than $120 after 5 nights at Freddy's.
Oh, bro, the bell went off with bare loud. You got overheard that.
Bro, we got the GoPro from out. Bro, the bell's moving.
Bell's still rocking, but like...
Here we go.
Oh, that's creepy.
Whoa,
Nah, man.
What's that?
I don't like that, bro. The position where the cameraman's in right now, bro, I would be hiding behind something, bro. I don't... Did it ring again? Or is that the same? It ringed again?
Yo,
Oh no, that's from earlier.
I'm not hearing those footsteps.
Just in a different angle.
Hear them. Should I hear them footsteps?
No?
Bro, I'm scared, bro.
Bro, my heart's going at like.
Chill, bro.
2000 BPM.
You're the person that doesn't believe in God.
Bro.
I heard that.
Nah, I was upstairs.
I heard that.
Upstairs. What's going on here?
Wait, shh.
Oh, bro, I heard footsteps on my life.
Bro.
serious.
Nah. I'm alive, bro. I'm
genuinely scared. Like,
For real, the captions aren't making sense, so I'm gonna disable the captions.
We've still got the attic, and apparently that's the worst part there. We haven't even gone in the attic, bro. That's the worst fucking place. We've got to set up a GoPro in there.
I keep trying to find the logic behind all the noise.
bro, it's the way though you didn't hear it. Like, bro, I don't understand.
Bro,
You've seen the footage.
I'm being so real, bro. This atmosphere they're creating in this video is just, it's making me feel like uneasy right now. I'm like, I can't. Bro, I thought I heard something just then. Fuck. See what I mean? I can't do this. I seriously can't. It's nighttime right now. It is nighttime right now. I'm home alone. I can't do this shit. I'm freaking out.
Footage. What is that then?
I'm still playing this video.
Like,
I'm still gonna make this video.
Closing the door abruptly and the wind like moving. I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Realise how mad it is.
Yeah.
Try it now. Try it.
Oh, it's a soft shutting door, isn't it? Okay, I don't know then.
One thing that's running through my mind, and I'm starting to question: have the people who run this place set shit up?
Those footsteps were blatantly footsteps.
I think it's one of those things, yeah, where we're gonna have to spend like
Footsteps.
the whole night.
Just
like,
the way you keep saying it.
And then when James is editing the footage, if he sees anything, we're gonna have to review it after.
Yeah, we're gonna have to have a look at it, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna have to, because I need like. I feel like there's more to this video that we're not even seeing for our own eyes.
True.
Hiya.
Hello, Caroline. You alright?
Yeah, good. You?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. It's Jay from the. We're at the inn right now.
Yes.
So she's gonna say her nuts, right? But we're just walking through the the part where it's got like the gate on the floor.
The men's thingy kitchen thing.
The what on the floor?
Do you know where?
The gate on the
room
floor?
that's got like the gate on the floor?
Wait, what? When did you?
What, the grave, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Huh?
What do you mean? Oh, what?
What?
Oh, you didn't know?
That's a fucking grave.
What?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Oh, that! Yeah, what?
A couple of daggers.
Okay,
Wait,
Caroline.
You just completely didn't mention that part? Like, how did you not mention that? Bro, I'm pretty sure if you were to mention that, they would have kept that at the beginning of this video. Whoa. Fucking grave? So, what? Bro, imagine after that, there's like fucking Jason pops out of nowhere and starts slashing these people, like...
Okay, alright, so we've just...
Bro.
You know that Adam's famous for the grave.
Nah, honestly,
Yeah,
I
I
had
think
no
that's
idea.
like a detail you left out.
Right, yes!
So we're walking
Bro.
through here, and we were about to go upstairs into the attic because we want to put some like GoPros down and stuff. And as we're walking through, obviously there's a couple of bells scattered around in the whole building, and the bell started ringing about 2-3 meters away from us, and we just ran because we shit ourselves. But I just wanted to call you. Is there like anybody here playing tricks on us?
No.
No, because it feels like somebody's pranking us right now, I swear to you.
Which bell was it? Was it that servant's bell on the barrel?
It's the bell, What the fuck? It happened again. It happened again.
Really is a haunted house?
I know, I think we found it. That.
Yeah.
Upstairs or in there?
That sounded like it came from inside.
Is there another bell here?
Dude, the part is
Boy,
just,
this is
it's the grave part. Why the fuck is there still a grave there? Did she say it used to be a grave, or is it still a grave? No, she did say it's still a grave, right? Why is that still there? I'm like, no, what?
It wasn't this one, was it?
No,
It didn't sound like
it's not that one.
It was more like that one. Wait there. Yeah, man.
Bro, no, yeah.
Some noise. Yo, guys, replay that. Replay that.
I got you.
Yeah. Wait there.
Listen. Yeah, no.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Some-
Bro, yeah,
Nah,
yeah.
nah,
Some
nah,
like
nah,
noises.
Nah, bro,
boy,
go home. I would have went home after that.
Replay that 0.5 times speed, yeah. I need you. Tell me if this was the bell, boys.
I don't like this.
Tell me if this was the bell. Yeah,
That's what it sounded like. That's what it sounded more like.
There's an outside bell.
Maybe even higher pitch. Like I don't. Oh.
Listen. Where's that coming from? Let me just hear this.
Bro.
Are we just gonna brush past this, bro?
Right.
The fucking grave.
Right, the grave part too, yeah, that shit.
Of course.
That's why there's teddies and a cross.
Isn't this meant to be a living room? Like another living room? Why is there a grave?
Exactly, why? Yeah.
At the beginning, something about children being buried. Is that where the children are buried?
Yeah, she did.
It's Teddy.
In the interview, she did, yeah. Ready for the attic, boys?
Oh, fuck
The
that,
hideout
man.
of Will crew.
Again, we could just burn the entire building down. I'm just saying. I mean, I'm just freed spirits.
England's last.
We just burned the whole place down. I mean, I just.
Oh my fucking god, bro. Bro, look at the
man, I don't like that.
Please do not pass here. Yeah, I'm good, you know.
We're good with that. Yeah, we're good on that. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, I didn't see that.
Bro, it goes back far, man. Oh my god.
I need me some of that.
Oh, bro, there's dice. 6 if the devil's here. 6 if the devil's here.
What
the?
We gotta leave. You gotta leave after that. You gotta leave after that. You gotta leave after that. I would've went straight home. Forget this video. I am gone. I would've went straight home after that. Oh nah.
You can't make that up.
Right.
What's happening?
Bro.
What the fuck? Fucking hell! What the fuck? You heard that? Please, so, yo, you was it?
You good, bro?
The floor like scraping, bro. Right behind Jamie, bro. You didn't hear that, bro? It was like something was scraping across.
Look how confused they are.
If there's somebody up here, please make yourself present.
The camera's moving. Oh, nah, bro. Yeah, he's moving the cameras around, whoever it is.
Ronald, tell the camera what's just happened, bro.
Okay, so me and Axel was sitting down, and Luke, you were mid-talking, innit?
Yeah.
And then something, I don't know what happened, but something on the second floor, it must have dropped over or something. It made a loud banging noise.
It was
I
like
can't do this, man. I am stuck watching right now, but I don't know anything. I'm scared right now.
That sounded heavy.
I am scared right now.
What's it? Bell.
There's a bell? There's a bell going off?
You heard that, innit?
Yo, okay.
Bro.
My phone died as it happened. My phone died as it happened, bro. What was that, man?
I don't know what that was, but we need to go and investigate.
I don't know, you know.
I don't know, but we need to go and investigate it. No other dude. If y'all was just, you know, just chilling out here, not recording or anything, I bet you, and y'all experience one of these things, I bet you guys would just go straight home, like immediately right after. Just nope, like, bro,
I'm saying
you're never gonna actually hear a black person say that, bro. I would have left immediately. I'm going home.
But I'm hesitating.
I'm going home.
I just nah.
That's cool, man. You can go first, then, yeah.
Sounded like it was this room, and it
sounded like that room, yeah.
What, the witch's room?
Nah, this.
No, wait, bro. I left the GoPro in the bishop's room.
Bishop's room.
Bishop's room.
What?
Okay. It was the GoPro.
Thank fuck. But what was the bell, though? A bell happened after it, bro.
What the fuck? What, bro? What?
What?
Jamie, talk.
I heard a creak, you know. Bro, someone touched the back of my head.
Yo. I just felt cold, like really cold.
Yo, I'm going really cold right now. You okay, bro?
I felt like you felt, man. It was just cold. Like,
bro, freezing.
Just like cold air behind me.
Nah, bro.
That camera's still on.
This at all.
I can't do this, man. I can't do this, man.
You okay, bro?
Yeah, man. It's just like a weird feel, like shivers just down my back.
You okay, bro? Yeah.
Bro, I heard the creak. It was like someone was walking behind you.
But that's it. It felt like I was enclosed, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but I felt like someone was like an inch away from my back.
Bro, I heard it, man. It's like someone was approaching you. It's like a heavy footstep.
I really hope that camera caught something, man, because that's off.
It's literally in the perfect position to catch it. Yo, shall we just grab it and see what's on it?
Bro.
Watch.
What the fuck? What, bro? What? What?
It was this, bro. It went like that behind him, and he was here, stood still.
Yeah, that gives me goosebumps.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
I don't know.
And the thing that literally made me feel it is my new fresh cut, and it felt really cold.
My new fresh cut.
What the fuck?
Yo, can we watch that GoPro back?
I want to see how that fell.
Yeah, actually, yeah, good shout.
So when the Bishop Room surveillance GoPro hit the floor, all footage from the previous 10 minutes was completely corrupt. However, when we checked that very GoPro, we noticed something very unusual kept happening to the camera throughout the night. This GoPro kept moving by itself in a way where it seemed like something kept moving it, and this happened over 36 times. It wasn't gravity because it was being moved up, down, left and right in a human-like way, and at one point the GoPro moved so much it's clear that something was messing around with it or was trying to take it down, as you can hear something actually touching it.
It only got me setting it up.
That's what I'm saying, man. Yo, what's happening?
It only got me setting it up, and then I never turned it. Bro, you were there when I had the camera in my hand. I had the camera in my hand.
When it fell, the batteries come out, and it's corrupted it and deleted.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the bell again. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah.
Shh. It did it twice. Bro, it's the attic one. There's something in the attic.
It's happened every time we're in this room. Every single time we're in this room, that's when the bell goes. Like, that's weird, bro.
Yo. Boys, listen. Clicking and clacking. Ding, ding, in there.
Oh, yeah, bro. I would have went home. I'm sorry if I have not said a thing. I am terrified. And plus, really hooked to this. At the same time, I don't know what to say, man. I'm sorry if I have not said anything. I don't.
Yo, where's that bell coming
almost
from?
forgot I was even recording, bro. I'm like, bro.
Go to the attic by yourself.
You know what? Oh, man, will I?
You want that $2,000, yeah?
Oh. How long do I have to go there for? How long? So if I get, I'm like, I've got the adrenaline going through me now, I'll go.
I don't know.
I got the adrenaline going.
Okay.
You actually going?
Are you serious? Yo, how about night vision so it's pitch black?
Okay.
Are you sure you want to do this, bro?
Is he
You
going
want to
to
spend how long by yourself in the attic?
Yeah.
In pitch black with infrared on. Night vision, just by yourself.
I just think, like, if there's something that's the best opportunity to capture, like, an entity or something.
Where do you want to go?
Where do you think? Bed.
That was the window. Oh my God, no. No.
Yeah, boys! It's time to go!
Bro, I can't, bro.
Time to fucking go!
That's a big ass camera. I need that.
I am done!
What happened?
Bro, went up the stairs, bro, literally choosing a place to go, like turn all the lights off, and then like we just heard a pan sound, like a piece of metal just go ping, like someone's clanking like a pan, bro, like a pan.
I need an explanation.
It's a window.
Watch the footage back. Bro, yo, were you guys down here?
Stood there.
Yeah, all right then. We stood.
He's like, I'm making sure.
We stood still, asking me why am I doing this. I'm losing my mind, man. On the window, bro.
Was it the window?
It was the window. It sounded like glass.
All right, yeah, it sounded like metal or
like
panel or
this.
something, but it could have been.
Like that,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
3 knocks or 2 knocks. I'm losing my fucking mind. Yo, listen to this, boys. Listen to this. Hurry up. Where do you want to go?
Where do you think? Bed. Exactly.
Yo.
Exactly. I'm right in front of him.
No.
TJF promised I didn't do nothing. TJF promised I didn't do. That's what my mom's
Both
like.
of his hands were on the camera. He didn't do anything.
I'm like this, bro.
Both of his hands on.
Wait, no.
Do you want to listen again?
Rewind.
Listen.
Rewind it.
Where do you want to go?
Where do you think? Bed.
That is. You see the look on his face after that too. Like, oh my
I don't
god.
want any of you, man, from down here.
Bro, how? Bro, how? How?
I don't know. I'm just trying to
Me,
see.
Luke, and Jamie.
See, he's trying to blame it on Luke. I don't know.
How could we do anything? Like literally anything? Unless there's some secret compartments. This geezer's looking for shortcuts. We were sitting down.
The attic as well. The attic window, bro. Not ground floor.
Right, it was the
guys, you
attic
switch to the
window
night vision
too,
camera
yeah.
and just, like, maybe turn the
I
lights
don't know
off.
what's worse, going to the attic or the basement. I don't know what is worse, man. Probably the attic. Amanda the Adventurer. Video coming soon.
Yeah, I reckon we should, man.
I reckon we just we go in. Give the people what they want.
If you made it this far, there you go. You know, hey, Amanda the Adventurer, making a video on that soon.
Did you do anything upstairs?
What, to make that sound?
Yeah.
But you can see me on the bro. I'm on the
Okay.
camera. I'm on the camera, bro.
It came.
Right, yo, Ramel, what is he? What is Ramel on, bro? He's on the camera.
Next to the bed that me and you were laid
Okay, alright.
Nah.
in the area where I did the dice. Lights up there.
Is Ramel trying to point? He
Lights off
keeps
down
trying
here.
to point
I
at
can't
us.
see a fucking thing. Yo, Axel, bro, you're the man.
They're trying to
for
point
this,
at
you know,
each
bro.
other. Like, what is happening?
Lights out. Wait there, listen.
I ain't even turned the lights off yet.
Nah, bro, I think I heard the exact same thing.
I heard a knock. Axel, what? What?
Whoa, what?
Axel, what, bro? You look shook.
Right.
Axel, talk. Bro, you're making my eyes water.
Right, bro. Talk,
I
bro.
went to turn the switch off, yeah. Come up the stairs, bro. I turn around. I swear on my mum's life, bro. I turn around and I see this like white thing, bro. Like just move across, like in front, like near the beams on the roof. Just go like that.
Shh. Keep still, boys.
Bro, I can't, bro.
Like,
His face is what's making me want to go home, bro. If I were to see him look like that, bro, I would have went home. I keep saying that, bro. I would have. The amount of times I said that, bro, I would have already been at home. Like, after the first one, I would have been at home.
put that there. If it lights up,
Bro,
something's walking
just his
past me.
face, legit, bro. Oh,
Keep still,
dude,
yeah, because this needs to be a fair
nothing
test.
but fear in that shit, bro. My hair's mess on,
All I
bro.
can
My
describe
hair
it
is
as
a
like
mess,
a white
bro.
sheet, but not in like a generic like ghost form. It was like really unusual looking, like, and it had like a top half to it and like a bottom half, and it was like it just waved like the best way I can describe it is like a wave from like the sea, but in white, clear in front of you, bro, and it just went across bro, right in front of me. It just went across, like coming from down there, just went up and then to the left and like through like the beams on the roof, bro.
Leave it there, right?
Oh.
And if that, once it stops, if that flashes again while we stay still, like that.
What?
Like that. Something's in there. Yo, it's sensing motion, bro, over there. It's the bed. Something's on the bed. Something's near the bed. Look, watch. Yo, something's on the bed, man. Something's on the bed. If you're on the...
I can hear that knocking. I can hear that knocking. I can hear that knocking.
Okay, nah, bro.
If you're on the bed...
No, I heard
Just
that.
right, Jay. No, please.
It was like 3. Nah, that was 3 knocks.
Bro, like,
Yo, okay. Yo,
he's still trying to communicate with the motherfucker. Like,
Bro, earlier, yeah, you were standing there I don't want to say anything because that had already happened, bro. But I saw the back of you move like as if you were like being dragged, and I didn't want to say anything. Did you just feel something?
I thought one of you boys were lifting my bag up.
Do you know how far I am away from my comfort zone? And to be here by myself without my man there.
I'm paranoid right
Even
now.
outside there,
At
100
home.
miles away.
Nah, that's preposterous. Like, I could never do that.
We're going in the basement.
As we're coming in that door,
Okay, bro, I was hearing something behind me. I didn't want to move. I swear to God, I didn't want to move. I did not want to move. It's just the wind outside because I have a gigantic tree near my window. It's not hitting the window, but it's right by my window. That's just the wind brushing against the tree. Oh my fucking God, bro, I can't. Bro, I can't, bro. Bro. Oh my God. I seriously felt something. I do it. Bro, I can't do this, bro. I'm about to cry, bro. I can't do this, bro. I am so uneasy right now. All right, let's do it. Bro.
just now.
Oh
I've
my
texted
God.
my phone off an unknown number I don't have saved. What the fuck does that mean?
Show me.
I
What
thank
does that
God it's
mean,
just
bro?
a tree. It's just
I
a
don't have
tree.
that number
It's just
saved.
a
I don't
tree.
know who that is. I want to translate that.
It's French, isn't it? Regarde.
Regarde toi.
Toi, sorte.
Okay.
Regarde toi.
So we're there. Do I translate that? Enter text. Paste. Yo, let's fucking go. Let's go.
Get out.
Look
Oh,
at
get
me,
out. If it's telling you to get out, let's go. Go.
Okay, yeah, I'm
Go.
done, you know.
Right, the deed's written in Nordic French.
Yo, I need to check that number.
Yeah.
Who's this number? Who's this number?
Wait, hold on, bro. Isn't that your new phone with a new number?
Yeah, bro, no one's got this fucking number. Should I call it?
Call it. I was going to say the same thing. Call it, bro. Call it.
Y'all are crazy. Real so cold.
Yo, that's flashing bare, you know. That was
It's
honestly.
because of the phone and the call.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I want to know what that knock was, bro.
That's what I want to know. Like, that was... You can't make that sort of stuff up, man.
This is no bullshit, yeah?
If
This
the
is
thing
not
says
insane.
get out, I would have left.
Somebody
Excuse me.
Text me. Okay? And just for...
Imagine that statue in the back just
And
has
just
its
for
eyes turn.
more-
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Smacks him.
Do you know what's fucked up about that? The person who texts that's actually French. Because if you convert from English to French, it wouldn't come back like this kind of dialect. That dialect written back, like that dialect in English says, look at you, get out. That's not a form of English sentence. It's broken English.
Yeah.
That's a French. A bang upstairs. Did you hear that?
I didn't hear it, bro.
Yo, look. Do you want to do the nursery rhymes?
Bro,
or
I
put
can't.
the chair on the table.
It's both, isn't it? Don't put the tray on the table.
You guys are still doing crazy shit. After everything you experienced, I would have went home. That's a video. They're just waiting for someone to get killed in this video.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder
Lord, I rebuke this shit. Please protect me.
Like a diamond in the sky. Look.
That's going crazy.
Up above the world so high.
Look at Luke, he ain't singing that shit.
In the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Stop. Oh my fucking God. What is going on with this goddamn wind? I don't know if y'all can hear that, but the wind is hitting mad against the window. Oh my god! I can't with that shit! The mix with the audio from the headphones and that as well, I'm over here thinking that something was behind me. I can't. I seriously can't, bro. I'm not making this shit up. I swear to God. It's like I swear. I keep feeling like there's something was behind me, dude. Imagine if I go to edit this video and y'all see a figure and I saw a figure behind me and I don't even realize it. Oh my god, I can't. I'm done. I'm serious. I'm not even the one singing Twinkle 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 Little Fucking Star. I'm not the one singing that, and yet I'm over here experiencing problems. I can't do this, man. I can't do it. Bro, I can't, bro. I'm so close to quitting right now, but nah, I'm a G. I'm gonna make it. I'm a thug. Be a thug about it. Hey man, Dashy, be a thug about it. We got this.
It's moving a bit.
Oh, I was a waste of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think that really works.
No,
It was a
me and
bell.
yeah. It was
My
a
mouse
bell.
is not
Another
on.
one, or like a chain. Like
Turn my mouse on just in case if I need to quickly
and it was
press
like,
pause.
It was coming from like right here.
That's the
Pause
nearest
button doesn't work.
Bro, it was in
Use the
this
mouse.
direction.
Yeah.
It was definitely in
Where's
this
the next
direction.
That one.
Just, bro, I'm like, just shadows, man.
Bro, I fucking
swear.
can't, dude. I
Like-
can't.
Bro, I feel like once you get scared once in places like this, bro, it's so easy for anything to bother you.
What the? I just saw that.
What's that? What's that?
What?
Who's that? Who was that?
That was Jay, man.
Nah.
Okay, that was
Well,
you. Shh.
I need me a beanie.
Okay,
What happened?
What?
Who's that? Who was that?
That was Jay, man.
Nah.
Okay, that was
Well,
you. Shh.
I heard that.
okay. I'm scared.
No.
Boys.
No.
We're scared.
Don't say you're scared. You're good. You're good.
Hello, is anyone there?
I would punch this motherfucker. Let me calm down. Bro, I would have punched this little. Yo, if we was ever in an actual real scenario to where we're hiding, and this motherfucker goes out and says, "Hello, is anyone there?" Bro, I swear to, I swear, I would have punched this nigga. Bro. I can't right now. I'm sorry. I'm a bit jumpy. I apologize. I get aggressive when I'm scared. That's my only defense to that. I apologize. I can't.
That was a slam
I
on the
can't,
door,
bro.
boys.
The car outside freaked me out.
If there's
Oh my god, I
anybody
saw
there,
that in the
please
mirror.
make
I saw that in the
another
mirror. Y'all see the mirror? I
sound.
saw that.
Boys.
There's movement in the mirror.
If there's anybody there, please
Oh,
make
bro,
another sound.
Shit, man.
Are you upstairs?
Are you in this room with us?
What were those sounds then? What?
Bro, that was a door slamming. Yo, what was it? Is it upstairs or is it downstairs? I feel like it's on a similar level.
Did you hear that creaking?
Bro, I heard that. I heard someone's voice, bro.
What, in this room?
I'm good, yeah, I'm good.
That's all I'm saying.
Nah, I'm good.
No, everyone stay. No one run.
Stay.
For what reason? I've got nothing to prove.
Ray's like, I got nothing to prove, my nigga. Yo, I'm telling you. Like, I would have been left. I heard that.
I don't know why I don't feel like it means any harm. I think it's just doing its thing. It is scary because it's mysterious. It's out of our understanding. That's why it's scary. It's out of our understanding, but I don't think...
Look at Ramel's face, man. I feel your
If
pain
it
right
was
now.
evil, bro, you would know about it by now. Don't want to go downstairs because I'm hearing shit. And I don't want to go upstairs and like, what's the way out? So Something's being dragged.
Shh.
I heard that.
Okay.
What the fuck is that? Animals? Animals?
I think we're done. I think we're done.
Yeah. I'm good. Yeah, sure.
No, I'm done.
Turn that light on, bro.
Yeah, man.
He's brave, you know.
Oh, fuck!
Oh nah, bro. Nah. Oh nah.
Fucking God! Yo, I just saw something. Shut the fucking door! I saw something drop. Bro. I saw something drop in the room, bro. Something dropped in that room, bro, in the corner of my eye. I saw it with my own eyes, bro.
I can't.
I saw it with my own eyes drop. I saw it with my own eyes drop. Promise me there's no one else here, please. Like, at this point, yeah, like, there's got to be someone fucking with us, like.
Well, that was my theory all along. I thought you like.
If y'all don't know, I have a wall, a little bit like a slanted kind of ramp wall. That, because you know, like I have a living room and a room in the upstairs. You know what I mean? I have my own living room and room. It's kind of like a mini apartment, it kind of in a way, but we're in the house. You know what I mean? I'm in the house with my mom. You know, so it's like the door is on the other side of that slanted like wall, right? I'm paranoid that something may be creeping and looking over at me from there. I can't. I seriously can't, dog. I seriously can't, dude. I need to get like motion sensors or something like that on in a doorway or something, because I can't. I seriously can't, dude.
Well, not you. I thought like Romelo could do it.
Something dropped. It's like blue. It had blue. I don't know. It could have been container or something, but I just saw it drop in there.
Oh, you physically saw something?
Oh, I saw it. I saw it drop, bro.
What, wait, do you believe in ghosts now?
Can you guys explain that sound?
Animal.
What a bore, bro.
Yo, what?
Oh, boar.
Okay, alright, you believe in ghosts?
Yeah.
Yeah, Axel, go down, bro. I'll come with you. Oh,
Come with me. Stand next to me as well. Stand next to me, bro,
okay.
so you can see.
Yo!
Oh nah, bro. Nah.
Nah.
Where are the keys? Open the van. Someone's taking the piss.
Who's on it to go and have a look?
Someone is pranking us. I don't know. I'll go back again.
I'm not pranking you.
Someone's pranking us. There's
You know
no
what?
way. This is taking the piss.
Yo, Jack.
What? Yo,
is this one in the...
I don't want to. Don't do that.
Yo.
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? What is going on?
Yo, are we going back in?
I'll go back in.
Bro, we need to check that room.
Because I want to, I want to go in that fucking room and I want to see that there's no one there for myself. I want to see that there's nobody there. I need the courage to see that no one is pranking us, because I firmly believe right now, yeah, someone's taking the piss.
Sometimes your courage is needed elsewhere, my friend, because this ain't it. This ain't it.
I'm not.
I'm convinced. Not me, bro. Promise.
Yo, do you want to go in?
Yeah, let's go in.
Yeah, you guys, man. I'm really...
Rebel's like, you go, yeah, you go ahead.
Going in for Axel, bro, because why did it not
picky on you.
happen to you? It's like it's darting on you, bro.
Something's trying to yam your crack. Bro, like literally knife and fork. TJF promise. I have not done anything.
Wow, okay.
There you go.
TJF promise.
Yeah.
Right. TJF promise.
TJ for me.
That's the video's fucking music. Oh my god, I'm hearing something go. That's the goddamn music.
TJF
Scared the.
Yeah, bro. I swear down, I have not done it. You saw me asking these
That's
two.
why we need to be careful if we're going to go back in there.
Jamie, what you seeing? What are you seeing? Jamie, what you seeing? Fuck off. What?
Shut up, bro. I'm on it. Let's go. Let's go. Do it. Let's fucking just do it, man. I'm going.
Your boy's good.
We'll get him, man. Right there.
If I was getting out, it would have been going to the driver's seat.
Oh my god.
Just vibrate.
Oh, bro.
Out the way.
That's fucked. I've never felt anything like that in my life. Nah, okay, yeah, boys. Like, I'm not even joking
this
now.
stuff, go.
Boys, I'm not even joking now. Nah, I'm good.
Yo, as I said, man, I thought we should grab that.
Oh, what the fuck?
What happened? What? What?
Freaking broski in the room, like someone's standing like on the other side of the door, bro. Nah, it's getting too much now. It's getting too much.
Bro, I feel like the energy's building up in this house, man.
Yeah, that's what I feel like's happening. That's footsteps above. That's footsteps above. Above. It's upstairs. It's upstairs. Bro, we need to dip into that room.
What the?
Yeah, something's upstairs. Go.
Yo,
Go.
leave.
No, it didn't.
No, it didn't.
Bro.
No, it didn't, bro.
I'm not fucking capping, boys.
No.
You look deadly serious, Jen.
Oh, no. Someone's breaking us. Someone's fucking taking the piss. Someone is taking the piss here. This is a... If you're a bad man, open the door then. Go on, open the door.
It's not gonna happen.
Bro, I'll 2-foot that door, you know.
Oh.
What, Broski? What?
No, Ramel, what?
Finish, bro. I'm done. Oh my god, I'm done. I'm actually finished, bro.
Broski, what?
The light in that room just flickered on and off, bro.
Which room?
The witch's room, bro. The witch's room.
Oh, I've got severe heartburn, man. I can't take this.
Bro, I can't. I'm out of words. I'm scared right now. I'm I have not spoken again, huh? Bro, I'm terrified right now. You already know how terrified I am. I'm over here just with a straight face like I'm just stuck still because I'm terrified, bro.
It just came off by itself.
I can't.
What was that?
I think I caught it.
was that?
I think I caught
What was that?
Look at the plant pot. Look at the right of it.
Do you hear it?
Ramel, look. Look at the screen.
Look.
Ramel, look.
Someone is taking the fucking piss. I'll go check. I'll fucking knock him out, man.
Fucking knock him out, man.
Oh man, what's behind that?
Fuck it.
Yo.
Come on then.
The lights are back on. All the lights are back on. Bro, Axel, get that GoPro and fucking run back. Shh. That's the witch's room. That's the witch's room.
All right,
Bro, it's time to go. It's time to go, bro.
Let's go.
Y'all just playing with it now, bro. It's time to go.
Yo, we need our equipment, man. Yo, I think we can confirm this is the most haunted place we've ever visited.
Yo, boys.
Bro, I cannot,
Like,
bro.
off camera, yeah. Someone's fucking with us.
Do you think we can literally go back to the first room, get the bags from there, put them back here, and then just however long it takes, just...
What the fuck was that?
Yo, stop taking the piss. What's falling? What's falling?
What happened?
Where? What's fallen?
Look.
What you on about?
Something's actually fall. Something's fell.
What you on about, bro?
That thing's all falling, bro. Get out of here!
Yo, go!
Bro, I can't, bro. I can't with that shit, man. I'm seriously, I can't. You know, Lord, I don't know what's going on with you in this wind, but why do you have to do this now? Like, you couldn't do this during the middle of the day? You couldn't be windy throughout the middle of the day? Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna stop right here, dude. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like button, subscribe if you're new. Be sure to subscribe to TGF Bros. I'm getting off. I'm getting off. I'm just, yeah, I'm done. I'm done, bro. Cause bro, I can't right now. I'm sorry. I gotta go. I see you. I can't right now. Yo, listen to me carefully. I know this is the end of the video. I know the outro's supposed to be rolling, but I just fucking realized something. I started watching this at 3 a.m., bro. I just realized, like, bro, I'm not playing with you right now. I'm being so serious right now. I just looked back and realized, like, wait a minute. It's 4 right now. that video definitely took like an hour, right? Basically like an hour. Because you know how I be pausing my videos, it'd be ending up being an hour. Bro, I swear to God, no wonder why shit is acting weird around me right now. I can't, bro. I seriously can't, bro. I'm paranoid as fuck right now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope so. Because I swear I don't think I'm ever going to do something like this again. I am freaked out right now, bro. Yo, I am so done right now. I'm so paranoid of everything right now. I gotta go. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bro, oh my fucking God. I cannot. No. I seriously can't, bro. Dude, I was shocked to see, dude. I was shocked to see it. I'm gonna definitely make sure I release this later on today. I gotta. That shit is crazy. Was that a bottle? I hit record to see if my mic catch that. Did my mic catch that? What the fuck was that? Okay, I gotta look out my window. Hold on, bro. What was that? Bro, I can't. Bro. I swear to God, I heard something rattled like crazy outside. Bro, I'm gonna put all this in. I'm gonna leave all this in. This is insane. I literally hit record just so I could try to catch it. I don't think I caught it. I don't think I caught that. Oh my God, what is happening right now? Bro, I was gonna chill out, watch the show or something until I heard that. I don't know how to explain that, but it was just, oh my, I can't. I'm out of urge. I'm out of urge to start to cry, bro. I can't. This is it's creeping me out. It is creeping me out so bad. Bro, what is happening, man? Bro. Okay, man. It did it again! No, that has to be a bottle. That has to be a bottle. Yeah, that has to be a bottle. I can't, bro. I hope y'all can hear that. I really hope y'all can hear that. Bro, when I first time heard it, it felt like it was hitting the window or something. That's why I was just sitting there like, because I was trying to process, is that on the window or on the ground? I couldn't tell. All right, Lord, make this stop, please, bro. I gotta survive till 6 a.m. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Okay, for real this time. I'll see you guys next time. Yo, what is happening?
He wants smoke.